Today's topic is a biomass for the electricity generation. Firstly, we have to know what is biomass. The human waste, animal, solid and liquid waste are used as a biomass. Biomass can be converted into electrical power through the several methods. The most common is direct combustion of the biomass material, such as जो बायोमास मटेरियल्स है वो हो सकते हैं एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट, वुडी मटेरियल्स। इनको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए जो मेथड्स हैं वो गैसिफिकेशन, पैरोलिसिस एंड एनारोबिक डाइजेशन होते हैं। गैसिफिकेशन प्रोड्यूस अ सिंथेसिस gas with the usable energy contained by the heating of biomass. In gasification process, the oxygen required less for the combustion. Pyrolysis is the process. In this process, the bio oil is extracted from the biomass. In absence of oxygen, the anaerobic digestion produce renewable natural gases when the organic matter is decomposed by the bacteria in the absence of oxygen. That means बायोमास को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए जो सारे मेथड्स हैं उनमें ऑक्सीजन का एब्सेंस होना मस्ट है. डिफरेंट मेथड दैट वर्क विद द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बायोमास. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बायोमास जो होते हैं वुडी बायोमास होते हैं, वुड चिप्स होते हैं, पैलेट्स होते हैं, सॉडस्ट होते हैं and gasified to generate electricity. Very wet waste like animal and human waste are converted into the medium energy contained gas in the anaerobic digester. In this addition, most other type of biomass can be converted into bio oil through the pyrolysis, which can be used in boiler and furnace. बायोमास को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिफरेंट स्टेजेस होते हैं. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू स्टोरेज द फ्यूल एंड हैंडलिंग द इक्विपमेंट्स. सेकेंड इज़ कंब्यूस्टर एंड फर्नेस. नेक्स्ट इज़ बॉयलर, पम्प, फैंस, स्टीम टर्बाइन, जनरेटर, कंडेंसर, कूलिंग टावर, एग्जॉस्ट और एमिशनिंग कंट्रोल्स and the control system that can be manual or automated. Now, how the biomass is work. In the block diagram, firstly we have to storage and require large area for the storage of biomass that is converted and preparation for processing. And next, the processing biomass material goes to the furnace or boiler where we are doing the combustion process. The heat of combustion is going to the boiler or the furnace that convert water into the steam, and this steam goes to turbine that rotates and electricity is produced to the generator. Now, compared to many other renewable energy options, the biomass has the advantage of meaning is that controllable, available when needed, similar to fossil fuel electric generation system. And the disadvantage of biomass of electricity generation, however, is that fuel needed to be produced, delivered, stored and paid for it. That means long transmission होता है इसमें. जो इसका डिसएडवांटेज है, स्टोरेज के लिए लार्ज एरिया रिक्वायर्ड होता है. Also, biomass combustion produce emissions which must be carefully monitored and controlled to comply with the regulations.